Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your diamond cut professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel to learn more models about this starter toolset. What is starter toolset? It's a set of hand tools which I choose the most popular tools from my experiences, which I sold a lot, which people had interest a lot since many years. So I created this set of 36 most popular tools for you, so you can directly get that set and start your jewelry production with diamond cut. Here you will see which type of tools you have in starter toolset. Flywheel tools, the most popular standard tool, mini tools, hammerhead tools, point tools, the new one, and different background tools. Here you can see on the box also our micromotor for diamond cuts and other alternatives of point machine and pneumatic machine. And of course you will see more tools. These are not hand tools, these are for manual faceting machine, ball machine, CNC machines and other special machines, and that's little advertising for you. You can always visit our YouTube channel to learn more about the tools we supply. You will find lots of important videos to improve your jewelry production. I will work on that bracelet today, and I will choose fancy flywheel tools, which are one of the most popular tools. I will use a combination of lining tools, convex tools, concave tools and special type tools from Bulunmaz company. I'm starting with 2mm 6 line tool. That's a lining tool. The shape is lines, so you will get a line design on the bracelet end of the diamond cut. I'm using at 45,000 RPM. Bulunmaz micromotor works up to 50,000 RPM, but I keep 45,000 to have a safety margin. It's a safe speed. It doesn't damage the tool, but it still gives you the best shine. Here I'm cutting with the lining tool. I'm not sure if you can see well, but here you see the lines. The size of the cut is 2mm and there are 6 lines on the product. As the shape of my bracelet is a little curvy, I will turn it other side and so I can have a better cut. I just cut one part of the bracelet, so I'm planning to cut different tools each part, and when I complete the set of my tools, let's say 5-6 tools, I will go the same design again or make a basic cut so you can have more idea about different cuts. My second tool is convex tool, 2mm convex tool. I start again with 45,000 RPM. Convex tool means the diamond is a curve, like the half round shape, and it gives the opposite shapes as a cut on bracelets. Okay, cool. Use them. Here you see the round shape of the diamond. As I told you, it's a half round, so it cuts deep inside the bracelet. Here you can see my cuts, they are round cuts. As you see on the bracelet, they go deep and cut inside like small balls inside the bracelet. My third tool is a concave tool, the opposite of convex tool. So the tool has a U-shaped diamond and it's cutting the opposite of convex. Here you see the concave cut. As you see, it's exactly the opposite of convex. I want to try a type tool. We call type tool, which means it's our design. They are not convex, concave or different shape. It's a type. Let's say this tool is with degree but lining, so it's a special tool. So let's go with the type 63, number 63, and see the result. Here in the same tool you will see that there is a degree and plus lines. You can see the lines inside the degree. The degree is usually 140, 150 as a standard, but we can make special sizes if you want. Here on Bulunmaz catalog, page 7, you can see different special type tools. We get into the catalog type 49A, 51, 55 and 61, but there are actually more type tools. They are going, I can say that 15 models. Just search Bulunmaz flywheel type or Bulunmaz fly type on YouTube, so you will get our special video showing you all the type tools, so you can have much better idea about them. I continue with facet tool. I used facet tool in my previous videos. It is a really shining one. It has 5 facets over the diamond, so it cuts 5 phases of the gold ornaments, so it gives a much better shine, much better reflection. If your market like shining items, it's one of the best choices for you. Let's start. You can see shining facets on the bracelets. So I just used 5 most popular fancy tools, flywheel fancy tools. So these were the lining, convex, concave, type 63, which is a kind of different lining tool, and then 2mm 5 facet tools. Each tool you see here has different sizes. So let's say this lining tool has 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3mm sizes with different lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, whatever. And each different tool you will find different sizes. Just have a look at our catalog or website. I will just make a shiny cut just right after these fancy tools, just to separate the bracelet. So I will make the shiny cut and then continue the same fancy tools the other side. Here I completed my central part with shiny 2mm 142, and let's continue the other side with the similar fancy tools. I just completed the other side of my bracelet with the same tools, same fancy tools. So you can see 63 facet tool, convex, concave and 2mm lining tool with 5 lines in this model. Then I closed the surface with 2mm 140 tool to get the shine. You can always consider diamond cut for a easy, fast, easy to learn of course, and a shiny technology for your jewelry production. Your customers will love these bracelets. Of course, they are super shiny. You can use on every ornament. You don't have to use on bracelet. You can use on pendant, chain, whatever you want. That's our starter tool set, which I used on this video. You will see a total of 36 tools in this set, and there are 13 flywheel tools with degree or with fancy shapes, which I introduced you in this video. You can watch our other videos on YouTube to learn more about this starter tool set. There is a main video with introducing all about starter tool set from A to Z. You can click info button up there on YouTube page, so you can watch that video. Have a look at our catalog. You can download it on bulunmaz.com, or you can have a look at all the models on our website bulunmaz.com. You can visit our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram pages. You can find more information everywhere. We have a simple price list with as much as a simplified price list. If you wanna buy and use our products, or if you wanna be a reseller, it's super easy. We made it easier and easier for you. You can always consider using our Bulunmaz micromotor for your diamond cut. It's so pretty, so sweet, so cute, and it's a professional machine. We developed it for diamond cut for you. It's our own design after lots of experiences about diamond cut, and it's produced with our partner company in South Korea. So as the Koreans says, 안녕하세요. I hope you liked that video. I hope it was useful for you. I tried to show you as much as possible different diamond cut designs. Just have a look at our YouTube channel, find the playlist Diamond Cut, and you will find many similar videos with showing different jewelry designs such as this bracelet. Thank you so much for watching us. See you in the next video.